Good morning. The Indian markets witnessed a very volatile session yesterday. After opening on a relatively weak note, the Indian markets witnessed buying spree in the later half, which prompted the markets to end the day on a positive note. Nifty ended the day 0.3% up. Yesterday, Bank Nifty and the PSU Bank Index were the major sectoral gainers, which surged in excess of over 1.5% and 1.7% respectively. This was on account of expectations of strong set of numbers to be released for the September quarter after IndusInd Bank posted a positive set of numbers. This also included a positive set of numbers with respect to its net interest income and lowering of the gross NPAs. On the other hand, the reality index was the major sectoral loser of yesterday after it fell by around 1.7%. This fall was mainly on account of the SEBI barring DLF and its six top executives from trading in the capital market for a period of 3 years after finding them guilty for suppressing information during its IPO time. FIs were once again sellers in the cash market segment where they sold goods worth around 671 crore yesterday. Yesterday, the US markets ended on a negative note on concerns of weakening of the global economy. Coming to some news for today's session. Reliance Industry posted a 4.5% increase in its net quarter profit for the September quarter to 5742 crore yesterday. This was mainly on account of improving gross refining margins and lower input cost. Gross refining margin for the September quarter increased to $8.3 per barrel as compared to $7.7 per barrel in the last year. CPI-based inflation for the month of September eased for the second consecutive month to 6.46% on account of lowering of food and fuel items. The August CPI numbers were also revised downwards to 7.73% as compared to the earlier estimate of 7.8%. The Asian markets are traded in a relatively mixed zone, with the Singapore Nifty being up by around 30 points. The Indian markets are expected to be positive for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 26701 and 26349 levels, while major resistance and support levels for Nifty comes around the level of 7986 and 7879 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.